All right, let's look at the bullet script. So we go over to bullet here and we look at the script, and right now we have, after we fire it, when we receive the fire from the gun, we show the bullet. We repeat this jumping thing until you hit the edge, and then we reset. Well, we need to do a couple of tests. We've got until touching the edge. We need to touch or until we hit the bullet. So I tried to figure a good way to do this, and this sort of seemed to work out well. Let's do the or thing here. Now the or fits in here. So that says repeat this until touching the edge. Oh, well, come on. No, this is supposed to go here. You got to be a little careful. You have to handle this in the middle of this. And there you go. Okay, now what are we going to do here? Well, we want to know if the collision's true, and we need an equal guy up here. And so I'm going to take one of the variables, collision, stick it there, and if that in fact is true. So this kind of seems kind of tricky, but in a way, what does it mean? When I receive fire, this thing's going to move the bullet. It's going to roll and roll and roll until it hits the edge, or it or the collision variable is true, which means the two have touched. Okay, so that's lovely. But we have to pull this out. The other thing is you don't know which one, so we need to test again to see which one. Now, you'd think you wouldn't have to test twice, but sometimes you do, and maybe there's a better way to do it. But I couldn't figure it out yet, so now I've got to do the touching edge. By the way, I can grab that by doing a shift click and duplicate, and I can pull that and put that here. And I can also do the same thing here, duplicate and slide it here. Or you can bring it in, reset it all by yourself. Okay, now if it's in fact touching the edge, all we want to do is reset. But if in fact you have a collision, we might as well do something kind of fancy. And I don't know what to call that, but how about explode? We'll make a block. We don't know what we're going to do yet, but let's call it explode. And we'll put it here. So it'll be, first thing we're going to do is explode. But then, and then reset, okay? So whatever explode does, and we haven't figured that out yet, we'll do something. And then we might, let's build another variable called hits. How about that? Make a variable, hits. And what we want to do is we'll increase hits by 1. So that means somewhere we got to set hits to 0. And we don't do that in reset. We'll do that in setup, because when we reset, we just want to get ready to fire another bullet. And let's in fact see what, okay, does this work? Yeah, let's see. Well, we will check it out. Okay, here it comes. And I, boom, missed him. Oh, boy, I'm a lousy shot. Sorry about that. Here it comes. Hit. Yeah, got a hit. See? Moved it up. Got another one. Got 2. I'm getting better. Oh. But oh, it's hitting the city and nothing's happening. See, we got to work on that script. But we do know that the hit script works. We don't need this gun direction up there. I just had that to check to make sure it works. So if I click here, that's going to disappear. So we've got the, and we know the collision thing works, so we really don't need to see that anymore. So all we really need is the hits variable, and we'll put that up here. So I think we're in good shape here, except we don't know what to do with explode. Well, how about let's play a sound anyway. So let's do some sound. Play sound. Want it pop? It's kind of benign. We can do something more than that, but let's just look. We just put something here to make sure everything's working. Here we go. Ah, it worked. Yay. Boy, I am not good at this. Got him. Okay, so we're working. So now we've got this script where we can fire bullets, and we're counting the hits, and we know when we hit the city and so forth, and we can detect a collision, and we use that collision variable. So let's stop and think about this a bit, because we now have a pretty good outline, and we can start to do something fancy if we want. But first, we want to make sure this thing works.